How harmful can coolant leak under intake manifold be on your BMW X3? Coolant leak under the intake manifold. An issue that has been haunting BMW X3 owners for what feels like forever. Today's presentation explains how dangerous this seemingly minor issue can be, potential causes, how to diagnose and fix it. Let's begin by discussing the significance of intake manifold. Intake manifold. How significant is it for airflow and fuel distribution to the engine cylinders? The intake manifold plays a crucial role in distributing the air-fuel mixture evenly to the cylinders, ensuring efficient combustion and reducing emissions. Although it is made of durable materials like aluminum, it can malfunction over time. A failing manifold may contribute to issues like reduced engine efficiency, poor fuel economy, increased emissions, etc. Coolant leak under the intake manifold. Potential culprits. There can be many different reasons why coolant might leak under the intake manifold of BMW X3. Listed below are some of the most obvious ones. Number 1. Failed gaskets/seals. By sealing the gap between the intake manifold and the engine, they prevent unmetered air from entering the system. Deterioration of these sealing agents may result in coolant loss. Number 2. Cracked intake manifold. Although it is not a very common scenario, intake manifolds sometimes have built-in coolant lines. Coolant will leak out of the system if those passages get damaged. Number 3. Issues from previous repairs. Mistakes made during earlier repairs, related to the intake mechanism, may result in coolant loss. Using poor quality seals or components in the repair work may contribute to a similar problem. Number 4. Exposure to harsh conditions. Thermal stress may cause the coolant carrying channels to become compromised. Discussing the dangers. Coolant loss can contribute to issues like Number 1. Engine overheating. Number 2. Potential for hydro lock. Number 3. Damage to the intake system. Number 4. Electrical damage. Number 5. Environmental concerns. So, what's the solutions? Number 1. Checking for visible signs of leaks. Identifying the pinhole through which coolant is seeping out is where the real challenge lies. Check carefully for signs of wear and tear. Number 2. Pressure testing to pinpoint the leak. Pressure testing tools can also be used to trace the leak to its source. Adding UV dye to the coolant can help identify the source of the leak. Number 3. Repairing or replacing the affected area. Replace defective gasket/seal to stop leak. If the issue is with the manifold, get it repaired or replaced, as per the requirement. Consider flushing and refilling the system. In conclusion, coolant leak can take a toll on your BMW X3's engine temperature management system. So, never take it for granted.